more is expected of you.
I think so. I think so. Any citizen should expect better things from their leaders. Not only from me, but across LGUs and all other offices.
Okay, ano bang ginawa mo nitong 3 taon? Nag-aral ka ba? Anong ginawa mo? Nawala ka? Nang parang bula.
No, because I wanted them to govern.
Oo.
Ayoko naman, komo in-endorse ako, pakikialamanan ko. No, I don't like that.
So, hindi ka nakialam.
Exactly.
Anong ginawa ni Isko Moreno ng 3 taon?
I went to showbiz. I hosted a noontime show. I do blogging and the Scott Media. I try to do business and make a living. And spend time more with my family. We travel a lot. Yun. Normal person. Maghanap buhay ka. Enjoy your time with your family.
Did you learn anything in the last 3 years? I mean, to lose the presidency is humbling, right? Considering your popularity as mayor and your showing in the elections, what did you learn with that experience?
Talagang ganun ang buhay. May nadadapa. Pagka nadadapa ka, di tayo ulit, bangon ulit. Parang sa akin, Karen, laging walang mawawala sa akin. Dahil lahat ng meron ako ngayon, wala naman sa akin nung araw. So I'm always grateful to God. No, pag ako nabigyan na naman ng pagkakataon, nagbubuti naman talaga ako. Kung wala naman, I move on and just be grateful of what I have. Sometimes sa buhay naman natin, Karen, yung ma-appreciate mo kung ano yung nasa harapan mo.
Nagsisisi ka ba? Maraming nagalit sa'yo. Na ang pananaw nila, inaway mo si Leni Robredo? Anong